As a kid growing up in Florida, my family would go to the beach every weekend. And from that, we would have all 3 meals every day on that weekend, working out of a cooler. And that always created problems because working off the cooler top, there was no place to make your drinks, make your sandwiches, etc. It was always clutter or a mess. As an adult and having a boat, I ran into the same problem. So I thought to myself, I'm a big tinkerer, so I was in the garage and I came up with an idea. Why don't I make a clip that can clip onto the cooler so that I can attach attachments like cup holders, cutting boards, you name it, we can put anything on. And thus was born the Cooler Clip. Hi, I'm Darren. So what's a Cooler Clip, you ask? A Cooler Clip is nothing more than a clip that attaches to your high-end cooler. How does it attach to your high-end cooler? Through your tie-down hole. So what's a tie-down hole? On most of your high-end coolers, it's nothing more than an opening on the side of your cooler so that you can tie it down. You name it, you can make anything to clip into your cooler with the Cooler Clip. So seeking out a local sheet metal manufacturer, we were able to make a C-clip with the channel bracket. The channel bracket attaches to the bottom of my cup holder or whatever platform I want. The C-clip goes into your tie-down hole, and then with your plunger, just clicks into place. Fully functional. On the smaller size, you have a smaller opening. Same idea though. It's just a smaller C-clip, thinner, that fits into your smaller opening. Clicks right into place. The final obstacle was your soft cooler. So for the soft cooler, I came up with the V-bracket. The V-bracket attaches to webbing. Once on the webbing, I recommend using 2 of them for better stability. It slides right into your V-bracket. And now you have also the Cooler Clip for your soft coolers. For our Kickstarter campaign, we're going to offer the single, which is cool, or the double, which is even cooler. So I'm really proud that all my products will be manufactured right here in the United States. So I know what you're thinking to yourself, this product's awesome, Darren. Why do I need Kickstarter? I'm gonna need some additional equipment. As you saw from the video, I'm gonna do a lot of the assembly myself. Tooling costs, and then I also need it to cover some of the upfront costs that come with making a new product. All my prototyping's been done so that this product will be delivered for your adventure this summer. Thank you for supporting this campaign. I look forward to outfitting your adventure, no matter what it is.